Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook oil down safely and efficiently. Begin by gathering your raw animal fat, like pork or beef trimmings, and a heavy-bottomed pot that is large enough. Cut the fat into small, uniform pieces, about 1-inch cubes, to ensure very even melting. This careful preparation is truly key for extracting pure, flavorful oil without any scorching or bitterness. Place your cubed fat into the pot and add a small amount of water, roughly 1/4 of a cup for every pound of fat. This initial water helps prevent the fat from burning as it begins to melt. Cook over very low heat, maintaining a gentle simmer, never letting it boil vigorously. Stir occasionally, about every 10 to 15 minutes, to promote even rendering and prevent sticking. The rendering process is complete when the cracklings, which are the solid pieces, turn golden brown and float to the top. At this point, the oil itself should appear clear and bright, with no cloudy residue. Carefully remove the pot from the heat and allow it to cool slightly before straining. This prevents splatters and makes handling much safer, ensuring a pure final product. Pour the warm, but not hot, rendered oil through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth-lined colander into a clean, airtight container. Once cooled completely to room temperature, seal it tightly and store it in your refrigerator. Properly rendered and stored fat can last for several months, offering a versatile cooking oil. Use it for sautéing vegetables, frying eggs, or enhancing the flavor of many savory dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.